Hello and welcome to day 35. Hey y'all, it's day 35 of our 10,000 steps a day walking challenge. Yes! Hey y'all, I'm rocking my bandana today, trying to see my curls popping. But guess what? We are talking about the one, the only, Mya. Yes! Mya, for those of you who do not know, is a singer, dancer, actress, choreographer, a songwriter, a producer. I tell you, she has so many talents. She is an independent artist who has created and founded her own label, Planet 9. Not only that, her foundation reaches out to the community and gives back. How about that? An artist that is successful in her own right, a Grammy award-winning entertainer. Hey, Mya, yes. Hey, we send love to Mya today. And we also want to talk about all the good that she's doing in the community of health. Did you know that Mya has more than 1.5 million Instagram followers? She uses her platform to encourage her followers to participate in her quarterly challenge. And what is the challenge? You can participate if you are a vegan, raw vegan, alkaline vegan, or if you just want to juice. Well, she will hold a challenge usually every quarter, and you have to post your pictures in a collage format where she can see what you ate for the day. And a lot of the winners have won Planet 9 merchandise, they've won cash, and they have won a all expenses paid vacation on Mya's dime. Yes, this has been a blessing to so many people. I want to show you guys a small clip from their trip to Costa Rica in 2019. Her impact is so powerful, and she uses her platform to spread the message of health to all those she knows. She says that her transition to a vegan lifestyle started back in 2014.
I lost like 30 pounds and I was like 156. And my skin cleared up. I felt better. I was getting proper rest, more energy. And I said, hey, there's something to this. And even my doctor was like, what are you doing? And I said, I'm vegan. I started sharing it on Instagram because people kept asking me, what are you doing? And it turned into a challenge last year, starting with the first quarter of 7 days, 14 in the second quarter, 21 in the third, and in the fourth quarter, 28 days a month. And I challenged myself further last year with a raw vegan diet. So I went to the graduation of raw veganism.
Just a simple challenge of willpower turned into a full embracement of healthy vegan lifestyle. So we salute Mya today. Hey, we're walking and we're talking. Listen to what Mya has to say about how the vegan diet has changed her life.
I wasn't raised as a vegan. I fell into it with a willpower challenge, and then when I got into it, I got educated and I became aware of a lot of things as far as environmentalism, as far as health, just quite a lot. And it's a very, very deep rabbit hole that you get into. But then when you see all of the benefits and then how it impacts your environment and then the planet itself, wow, it's a very awakening experience.
It's so beautiful to see how a vegan lifestyle can be so transformational. Mya has a website, myamya.com. On her website, she has a section called lifestyle. In that section, she shows you how to transition to a vegan lifestyle. Download her transitioning guide. It tells you what vegans eat. It also tells you what vegans do not eat. It gives you suggestions for what you can do as substitute in your food and causes that you can be a part of to make sure that you fully understand what transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is all about. Maya also talks about how she has so many family members, friends, and associates that have suffered from so many diseases like diabetes, cancer, heart disease, clogged arteries, high blood pressure, obesity, anemia, skin problems. And she talks about how this encouraged her to find a different path to health. And whenever you see Maya, the one thing most people will say is she looks amazing. And she does. She talks about how her vegan diet has helped her maintain and sustain not only her looks, but a positive attitude on life.
Done wonders for my entire life. Some of the changes that I've experienced being vegan: I'm no longer anemic. I'm intaking so many more healthy foods, obviously vegetables, nuts, greens, seeds that are iron rich. My doctor said, "What are you doing? You're no longer anemic." So that's the first benefit. And I thought you had to have meat to have protein and get your iron, and that's false information. So I no longer get sick. Dairy has mucus buildup, which is awful for singers. I don't get sick, and my skin is clear. I lost 30 pounds. I don't have to go to the gym as much. And I just have clarity, like I mentioned before. Everything in my life has benefited me just eating natural foods.
And as an artist, Maya is amazing. I love that she knows that R&B is not dead. Hey y'all, it's alive. It may not be played in the mainstream and on radio, but R&B is alive and well. We just got to reach out and support the artists and the music that we love. Hey, my favorite song is With You. And I also love You Got Me. I tell you guys, go check out her website, myamaya.com. Check her out on Instagram. She is doing a great job and introducing so many people to a change in lifestyle and eating habits that's going to bless not only them, but their families and beyond. So today, we salute Maya. Yes. We want to thank her for the beautiful contribution that she continues to make to our health community and to all those who are seeking a healthier way of life. And to all those who are out there on your health journey, I say continue on. I wish you great health. I wish you great wealth. And I want you to be surrounded by love. And guess what, y'all? Boom! We just did our 10,000 steps for the day. We're done. Yes. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. It's February 5th. I walked 11,922 steps. All right. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.